Intro. Host standing in front of a blank backdrop with a phone-shaped outline. Host. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cutting-edge innovation with a device that might just challenge your perceptions of what a phone can be. Introducing the Nothing Phone. Cut to visuals of the Nothing Phone. Host. The Nothing Phone, brought to you by the forward-thinking folks at Nothing Tech, takes the minimalist approach to a whole new level. As you can see, it's not your typical smartphone. It's quite literally a see-through phone that lives up to its name. With a transparent body and sleek design, it's a true showstopper. Cut to the host, holding the Nothing Phone. Host. Don't be fooled by its appearance, though, because this baby is packed with features. Running on the latest operating system, it offers a seamless user experience. The transparent OLED display is not only futuristic, but also vibrant and sharp. Cut to quick shots of the phone's unique features. Host. And how about this? The transparent body incorporates invisible wireless charging technology. Just place it on a charging pad and watch the magic happen. Cut back to the host. Host. Now you might be wondering about privacy. Well, the Nothing Phone has incorporated advanced privacy settings, ensuring that your see-through device doesn't compromise your personal space. Cut to host with a thoughtful expression. Host. So if you're someone who's tired of the same old smartphone design and wants to embrace a new era of tech minimalism, the Nothing Phone might just be your perfect match. Closing shot with the host holding the Nothing Phone. Host. And that's a wrap for today's quick dive into the fascinating world of the Nothing Phone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more intriguing tech updates. Until next time, stay curious. End screen with channel information and links. Out row. Fade out with channel logo and catchphrase.